In this video, we're going to learn a little bit more about place values, and we're in the 100 level now. So if we have a problem that says type the missing number, 8 hundreds, 7 tens, and 5 ones. So it means we have 8 from the hundreds, 7 from the tens, and 5 from the ones. What number would that be? So we have to remember our place value chart. And this is a good chart to remember. It'll help you when you have a problem like this and you have to write it in just numbers. So we know that the hundreds go in this column, the tens go in this column, and the ones go in this column. So if we're going to write it in 8 hundreds, we would write here 8. And then we have 7 tens. So let's get that color. So we put 7 here. And we have 5 ones. So this is the number, 875. So we could write it in 875. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away, just rewatch the video and it'll make more sense when you watch it again.